Little world of naughty kids.
Mama cat was picking greens, harvesting cabbages bright and clean. Oops, she slipped, oh what a fall.